Introduction to Layer Masks. Inside this folder, there's a Photoshop file and a few JPEGs. Let's open up the Photoshop file and see what we have. Here is a group that says type effectiveness. I'll just click on the eyeball there. Oh, it looks like it's some text layers. Grass beats water, water beats fire, fire beats grass. That sounds very familiar. Let's go back to the folder and we'll drag those JPEGs in. And you see as you place them in Photoshop, they're brought in as smart objects and you can resize them. They're already the right size, so we'll just press the check mark 3 times. And they should be in this order: grass, water, fire. We're going to make a copy of the fire layer. So click on that and drag it down to the plus icon. And then we have a copy there. Let's put the copy above the grass layer. Okay, so we have fire copy, grass, water, fire. Now, let's see if we can do something to make this image a little more interesting. First thing we'll do is we're going to put a mask on all of these layers, and then we will edit the mask to create a design. In this case, we want the mask to completely conceal what is on that layer. So I'm going to hold the Option key on the Mac or Alt key on Windows and press the mask icon here for each layer. And you'll notice what pops up is a black mask next to the Smart Object icon. So this mask is not allowing any of the pixels on that layer to show through. If we wanted to show the pixels on that layer, we would need to paint on it with white. So let's get started. Grass beats water. So I'm going to select the water layer mask, and I'm going to change the size of my brush. And I'm just going to click right here. And you'll see that instead of painting with white, it actually revealed what was on that layer because I poked a hole in that layer mask. Likewise, we'll do that with the fire, the bottom fire, and with the grass layer masks. Okay. So now let's figure out grass beats water. Okay, I'm already on the grass layer. I just need to reduce the size of the brush a bit. And let's just draw an X. And water beats fire. Okay, so I need to be on the water layer again. And we'll just do an X. And fire beats grass. Now, if I select this bottom layer, that's not going to do what we want. So that's not exactly what we want. So let's undo that and let's go to the fire layer that is at the top of the stack, and then we'll draw our X. Okay, now we have a clever design that will be able to show Ash how to not use Pikachu for every encounter. I hope this was helpful.